Applied Digital, ticker symbol APLD. It's one of the most talked about small-cap AI infrastructure plays, and it could either make early investors a fortune or crash and burn. Today, we're breaking down why this stock might 10x or go to zero. If you're serious about building wealth in the AI revolution, don't scroll past this one. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Move IQ YouTube channel. First off, what the heck does APLD even do? Applied Digital builds and operates high-performance data centers designed for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and, yes, crypto mining. In simple terms, they don't make AI software. They provide the power and space for it to run. They're betting big on becoming the infrastructure backbone of the AI and Web3 revolutions. Here's why some investors think APLD could skyrocket. 1. Explosive demand for AI infrastructure. AI models like ChatGPT need massive amounts of computing power. Companies like OpenAI, Meta, and Tesla are scrambling to find capacity. 2. Strategic partnerships. APLD has signed deals with major players like Supermicro, and they're expanding rapidly in Texas and North Dakota. 3. First mover in niche markets. Unlike Amazon or Microsoft, they're targeting underserved areas, lower costs, less competition, huge margins if demand continues. 4. Tiny market cap equals massive upside. With a market cap under $1 billion, it wouldn't take much institutional buying or AI hype to push it sky high. But before you YOLO your paycheck into this stock, let's pump the brakes. 1. Heavy reliance on crypto mining. Yes, they're pivoting to AI, but crypto is still a big chunk of their revenue. That's a volatile and risky business. 2. High capex, low cash flow. They're building fast, but with lots of debt and razor-thin margins. If the AI wave slows down, they're exposed. 3. Short seller pressure. Short interest in APLD has been rising. That means some big players are betting it drops. Do they know something we don't? Technically speaking, APLD has been riding some serious momentum since early 2024, but it's facing resistance around $X.X. Watch this support level right here. If it breaks, we could see a big correction. On the upside, if it clears this breakout zone with volume, the next stop could be next resistance target. So, APLD, future AI infrastructure titan, or a speculative bubble waiting to pop? Drop a comment. Are you buying the APLD hype or staying far away? Smash that like if you learned something, and hit subscribe to Money Move YouTube channel so you never miss an opportunity to level up your money game. And if you want me to compare APLD to Nvidia or AMD next, let me know in the comments.